Hi guys, I had a comment on one of my old animatronic videos, and it's actually this one down the bottom here, the mouse. So that gave me an excuse to dig them all out of the loft where they stay in a big plastic bag. There's 13 of them, so I'll do 13 short videos, one for each one, showing what they do, and I'll probably do a compilation on my other channel of all 13. There'll be links in the video description to the original videos in my festive projects playlist or something like that. So check out the video description for the links. Right, not sure if we're going to get this one to work here because it actually walks. What's going on there? A good example of why I don't want to sell any of these, because they're not reliable. That's just the little push switch in there is a little bit iffy. Can't even find it now. Yeah, well, it does work, but a little bit iffy on that button. I don't think that's got any. Oh yeah, it has. No. Oh, hang on, we're not in focus. There we go. Hunter Worldwide Limited. Never heard of them. Thanks for watching, guys. There's always more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here, and you might like to subscribe down here. There's also my latest video up here, and down here is the playlist for these festive animatronics. So thanks very much for watching, much appreciated, and have a good Christmas or whatever you celebrate.